Indoor plants that grow in water are beautiful, low maintenance, and perfect for modern homes. They don't need soil, create less mess, and let you see roots clearly in glass containers. These plants improve air quality, add freshness to rooms, and thrive in indirect light, making them ideal for beginners and small spaces. Money plant, Epipremnum aureum. It grows beautifully in water indoors, making it one of the easiest houseplants to maintain. Its heart-shaped green leaves, often variegated with yellow or light green, add a fresh, vibrant touch to shelves, desks, or hanging corners. Simply place a healthy cutting with a node in clean water, and roots will start developing within days. It thrives in bright, indirect light but can also tolerate low light conditions. Change the water every 1 to 2 weeks to prevent odor and bacteria, and add a drop of liquid fertilizer occasionally for nutrients. It's low maintenance, air purifying, and perfect for beginners wanting a stylish, soil-free plant. Swiss cheese vine, Monstera adansonii, is a stunning trailing plant known for its unique leaves filled with natural holes, giving it a bold, tropical look. It adapts well to growing in water indoors, where its roots become part of the display. Place a healthy cutting in a glass jar with indirect light, and it will root quickly. Keep the water fresh by changing it weekly, and add mild liquid nutrients occasionally. It loves humidity and warm spaces, making it perfect for cozy rooms. With its cascading vines and eye-catching foliage, it brings a modern, jungle-style vibe without the need for soil. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum wallisii, is an elegant indoor plant admired for its glossy dark green leaves and graceful white blooms. It can adapt to growing in water, especially when started from a rooted division. Place the roots in a container so only they sit in water, keeping the crown above the surface to prevent rot. It thrives in low to medium indirect light and enjoys a warm, humid environment. Change the water weekly and add diluted liquid nutrients occasionally to support growth. Known for helping improve indoor air quality and adding a calm, sophisticated touch, it's perfect for serene, soil-free decor. Arrowhead plant, Syngonium podophyllum, is a fast-growing, attractive indoor vine with soft, arrow-shaped leaves that often show shades of green, cream, or pink. It grows very well in water, making it perfect for glass jars or decorative bottles. A cutting with a node will quickly develop roots when placed in clean water. It prefers bright, indirect light but can adjust to medium light conditions. Change the water every week to keep it fresh, and add a little liquid fertilizer once in a while for nutrients. Its trailing growth and lush foliage create a fresh, modern look while being easy to maintain. Heartleaf philodendron, Philodendron hedraceum, is a classic trailing houseplant loved for its smooth, heart-shaped leaves and rich green color. It grows easily in water, making it ideal for stylish glass containers indoors. A simple stem cutting with a node will root quickly when placed in clean water. It thrives in bright, indirect light but also tolerates lower light areas, making it very adaptable. Change the water weekly to keep it clear and healthy, and add diluted liquid nutrients occasionally. Its cascading vines create a soft, lush look that brightens shelves and corners while requiring very little care. Spider plant, Chlorophytum camosum, is a cheerful, easygoing indoor plant known for its arching green and white striped leaves and tiny baby plantlets. These little offshoots root quickly in water, making it perfect for soil-free growing. Place a plantlet in a jar with clean water and bright, indirect light, and roots will develop fast. Refresh the water every week to keep it clear and oxygenated, and add a mild liquid nutrient occasionally. It adapts well to different indoor conditions and helps improve air quality. With its fountain-like shape and playful babies, it brings a fresh, lively feel to any space. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata. It stands out with its strong, upright leaves that look almost sculptural indoors. Even in water, it keeps that bold, modern appeal. A leaf section placed in shallow water slowly forms roots, turning a simple cutting into a striking display. It's extremely tolerant, low light, dry air, and occasional neglect don't bother it much. Just keep the water clean and avoid submerging too much of the leaf. Its structured shape adds a sharp, contemporary vibe, making it perfect for minimalist rooms and office spaces. Wandering Jew, Tradescantia zebrina, is a fast-growing trailing plant loved for its striking purple, silver, and green striped leaves. It roots incredibly quickly in water, often within just a few days, making propagation fun and rewarding. A simple stem cutting placed in a glass container will soon develop a network of fine roots. It prefers bright, indirect light to keep its colors vibrant. Refresh the water weekly and trim long vines to keep it bushy. With its cascading growth and bold foliage, it adds dramatic color and movement to shelves, windows, and hanging displays indoors. Lucky bamboo, Dracena sanderiana, is a popular indoor plant often grown in water for its sleek stems and calm, elegant look. Its upright green stalks can be straight or artistically twisted, making it both decorative and symbolic in many homes. It grows well in indirect light and prefers clean, filtered water to avoid leaf yellowing. Keep the roots submerged but the stems above water, and change the water every 1 to 2 weeks. Adding small pebbles helps support the stems. Easy to maintain and long-lasting, it brings a peaceful, modern vibe to desks, tables, and entryways. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema commutatum, is a beautiful foliage plant known for its patterned leaves in shades of green, silver, and sometimes pink tones. It can adapt to growing in water when propagated from a healthy cutting with roots. Place it in a glass container with indirect light, and it will continue to grow slowly and steadily. Change the water weekly to keep it fresh and prevent stagnation. It tolerates low light and indoor conditions very well, making it ideal for homes and offices. With its lush, decorative leaves, it adds a soft, elegant touch while being easy to care for.